In this video I'm gonna show you how to replace the headlights on my 2020 TRD off-road. I'm gonna install the Alpharex USA headlights with some LEDs I bought from Amazon. Also the asphalt turn signal. Let's see how this goes. I opted for the Pros instead of the other ones because the other ones come with the LED integrated into the headlights, so it'll be a hassle for me to take them off and send them back to get replaced. With the Pros you save $300 to $400 and you can put any LED in it. Let's do this. First, what you want to do is remove this tray. It's held by 10 clips, I believe. Then the bumper's held by 3 bolts on each side, 2 bolts in the bottom, and you might have to remove the fog lights, LED bars, Raptor lights, whatever accessories you have. Yeah, it is dirty. I sand it. Push it in, pull the clip. Be careful you drop them. You also want to remove this bracket. And the headlights held by 4 bolts, I believe. You can only see 2 on the top. No, not even 2, 1. But the rest is in the bottom, so yes, you do have to remove the bumper. To remove these clips as well for the grill and any connection you may have for your lights. I'm also gonna remove these Raptor lights and I'm gonna put a light bar behind it. Not today though. There's a total of 7 clips behind the grill that you need to remove in order to remove the upper grill. They're the bigger ones. I need to wash my engine bay. If you have a 2019 and 2020 4RUNNER, you're gonna have to remove there's a sensor in the front. It's for the cruise control. Then I also have to remove the LED bar. But so far I removed all the bolts on the side, top. I just need the LED bar and this wiring and I will pull it off. Because we're gonna be touching wiring, just remove the battery. You can take out the ground or both, just in case. You're gonna wanna pry the clips on the side of the bumper and pull the bumper off. Just remember how it goes. Shit. There you go. The one on the top too. Hold it, this. There. And then you just pull. Pretty much the bumper is held by clips all around. Just pull it. Just don't fuck up your paint. There's also a cover here for the windshield wipers. The connector for the fog lights is underneath. You're gonna wanna reach your hand here. Put your hand through here, the bottom of the car, and remove the fog light plug. Can you hold the bumper? There's not only one connector, there's two connectors for the sensor and 2 bolts that hold this bracket for you to remove the bumper. Now it's loose, now we can pull it off. Yeah, see? It's off. Woo! Huh? Okay. Now you can see the headlights, and they're held by, let's see, 1, 2, 3 bolts. 2, 3, only 3? Yeah, only 3 bolts. 10mm bolts. Never mind, guys. There's 4 bolts. There's a heating one on the left side of the fender, close to the fender. And this is how you put the new LED. You want to try the lights on right now before you put the cover, just to make sure you put it in the right position.
So what we ended up doing is we took off the fuse for the injector slot in the first row. We added it to the harness that they was introduced there. We're just replacing it. It's slotted.
And then you're gonna tap it on the positive and ground, right?
Yeah. You need 10 mil.
After you connect the wiring, you hide it and you put everything back to the other. You remove everything. Should be good to go. This is the final product with the lights off. Daytime running lights. They look awesome. The hazards. I'm gonna remove this LED bar and I'm gonna put one behind the grill here. That was the reason why I removed the Raptor lights. It'll look cleaner.